what's going next in a Wink coin, my friends. Wink is going up or fails down in upcoming time. Absolutely, my friends. This time you can see here the chain occur is positive. So therefore, I'm very happy. It's a good news for Wink holder because Wink is starting moving up. Exactly. What's my prediction in this video, my friend? The prediction is almost very important in this video, especially because the Wink has completely fails down in the previous 7 days, my friend. Therefore, a lot of holders tell me to please tell us to sell, hold, or buy. So already, I tell you in my previous video, but absolutely the latest update, my friend. After a latest update, the day everything is changed occur now, my friend. So what's the new prediction? What's the new opinion, my friend, to sell, hold, or buy? Let's get started this brand video, my friend. Very important, very good video for everyone. Please subscribe our YouTube channel before I get start this video. If you are not, my friend, please subscribe this channel. You are already my friend. Please tell me in the comment box, my brother, to you are my friend or now. Please, if you want to practice, please subscribe first of all. Okay, for latest news and updates. This is very good. To you complete my 10,000 subscribe, I do a giveaway absolutely of Wink coin. I do a giveaway, my friend. Therefore, please fastly subscribe our YouTube channel and complete my 10,000 subscriber. I hope you do it, my friend. This time, if you can see here the last 1 hour result, I open it. This is good news for everyone. First of all, this is very surprise news for everyone. To you see this change occur very gone like a rocket, my friend. If I see this, my friend, then my heart is very happy, my friend. My brand has stopped working too. What's this? A Wink starting moving off. Congratulations. A Wink holder, I hope at the end of month, and this, my friend, 7 days or 5 days, my friend, at this month they gone off completely. They gone off, my friend. So this is my prediction. Let's get started the prediction, my friends, to what's going on. Okay, last 7 days result I open entered this time. Okay, if you can see here, my friend, and the last 7 days chart, my friend, they are completely fails down, my friend. And after a fails, every type of currencies take a very big jump, my friend. So every you know about this, my friend. So I hope in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket, my friend. If you know about this formula, then absolutely you also believe this today going up in upcoming days. So believe me, my friend, in upcoming days they're moving up, and already you see this time. Okay, let's check out the last 1 month chart, my friend. The last 1 month chart will also show you the prediction. If you can see here, my friend, this time also take a very high jump, my friend. What a big change, my friend. What a big. This time they hit the price, my friend, as 0.0030, but this time you can see here 0.0028. The price is very badly decreased, but my friends, you can see here after this falls, my friend, they take again starting moving up. So good news for everyone, my friend. This is the circulation. If you can see here after a fails, they jump, and after a jump they fail. So this is the circulation of every crypto coin, my friend. So wait for a good time. I hope the price is increased now. This time you can see here in the last 1 month 214% they gone up. Congratulations, Wink holder. This is good news for everyone. 0.0028% the price starting and increasing now in the last 1 hour. So good news, Wink holder. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. What's my opinion? My opinion is that if you have any plan to buy more, then exactly this is good time for buying, because this is the start of this is the end of month. I hope at the end of month they give you a very good profit. They make you millionaire. So Wink holder, please don't sell it. Absolutely don't sell it, because this is if you sell it then you are lost. Absolutely. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, my friend. Please click the subscribe button and also like this video. If you need this type more informative, please subscribe our YouTube channel.